Welcome to Girls World!
Which one do you like better, Drake, Mother, or Mega Board?
I like Patrick the best.
No.
Yeah. Good Coke too, man.
Look at that. Already starting with a Coke. You're gonna have pizza tonight, Patrick, okay? Like pizza? The pizza family always looking for pizzas for buffet.
Look at this.
Oh, I didn't start yet. Let's do it again. You ready? Okay. Oh, no, I didn't say. I just said, are you ready? So, yeah, are you ready? Yeah? Okay, is mom ready?
That's his favorite thing to do, like cheers.
Cheers.
Salud, right, Patrick?
Oh.
So we have the shrimp and pineapple for half of the family pizza, and the other half is pineapple and anchovies. Patrick started picking on the crust, and you're starting to eat. This is the first time I had like a shrimp in a pizza, I think. If I can remember, I've never had shrimp in a pizza. Have you?
I have it.
You had?
In the Philippines, huh?
What is
Yellow
it?
cabinet.
Yeah.
Shrimp with garlic.
Oh, that
good.
should be good. Tell me how
It's
was
nice.
it?
It's nice.
Good. What happened to the family pizza? It's all gone.
A little piece of shrimp there.
There's a tiny little bit of a shrimp. Oh,
Gone.
someone took it. Delish. Was it good, Patrick?
Yeah.
Okay, the next pizza is a medium pizza. It's 5 cheese and marinated chicken and little fingers starting to. It's hot, Patrick. First slice.
What's on this one?
5 cheese and marinated chicken.
5 cheeses?
Yeah.
Really? Can you count them out?
Why don't you start counting it?
I think they all blended together.
This is for Patrick. It's very hot.
That looks good though. Looks good. Don't burn your tongue. Gracias, señor.
Gracias.
Okay.
There's like green stuff in it.
Marinated chicken,
Maybe
yeah.
that's the chicken. You know what? It's very hot. Very nice cheese. I can't really touch it. It's really hot.
Freshly made. So what do you think?
It's good. But I do like the anchovy one.
Like the anchovy one a little bit better? Yeah, okay.
How about you?
Me too. This is nice. Nice to try it.
Anchovy, pineapple,
What do you think,
shrimp,
Patrick?
pineapple.
It's good? Which one do you like the best?
Look at the crust.
Pizza crust. The only person in the world who starts eating his pizza by eating the crust first. And working his way to the rest. Slowly but surely.